Some more big storms across several states. Tornado warnings, severe storm warnings, even winter storm warnings in the northern Wisconsin and the Michigan Upper Peninsula. Yeah, there's been some intense lightning. Yeah, see? So wait, I'm gonna record it here for a couple of minutes. I'm gonna record it here for a few. Just I want to show you. And look, you see, look, it was just so sunny out here earlier, and now it's pouring down. Now it's really pouring down rain. And look outside. Look at our driveway. It's literally it's like a many pool floats could ride down this. And so it's just about 7 o'clock right now. It's going across a lot, and there's like I've been watching the news here for a little while, and there's when I first turned it on, there was 6 tornado warnings reported at once. So it's been pretty crazy lately, and spring has just barely started. We have a lot, and it just started, and we've already had a lot of severe weather. It's been pretty crazy here. We've had all this crazy severe weather, and all this also just storming in general when spring literally just started. So that includes Missouri, Arkansas. In Corning, Arkansas, I think there's tornado warnings right now. And there's Arkansas, Missouri, Illinois, well, where I live, Indiana, where I've lived for about 8-9 years now, since I moved from Oregon. In Oregon, there's not as much storming as there is here, but there was still some storming there every once in a while. But yeah, and there's also several tornado warnings in Michigan, and there's also some stretched all the way down to Florida, so it's everywhere. There's been a lot of winds, hail, river flooding. Been crazy out. So this is good thing I got back from my walk when I did, or else I'd have been soaking wet. Yeah, I would have definitely been soaking wet. Because, look, already my driveway is literally soaked. It's literally filling up, making a water slide almost. It's getting down there. It's getting filled too. Yeah, so I'm just recording this for a few. I'm just recording this for a little. Oh wow, there's some good lightning there. Just recording this for a little bit. I want to get, just because these storms are getting interesting. And there are some tornado warnings here. Well, not too far from here. Maybe about 30 miles from here. About maybe an hour and a half ago. No, maybe about 2 hours ago. And we're not close to over. And also in northeastern Indiana, Auburn, Garrett, Angola, Ashley, Waterloo, Hamilton, Fremont. There's a bunch of tornado. There was tornado warnings up there too, and now I think they might be starting to head into northwestern Ohio. The rain's now getting hard. Now it's even getting harder. Yeah. And the lightning here today has been probably the strongest lightning so far this year, at least in my location. Sorry, it's kind of hard to see when I record these because I have 4 vehicles in my house. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Look at this rain. I was sitting in the car just trying to see how how long it would take so I could see this, and also so I could see the storms roll in. But good thing I didn't stay in there, because if I stayed in there, man, I'd be trapped. I'd be trapped until this storm slows down, which is probably gonna be quite a long time. Yeah. I know there's some storms in the Michigan tornadoes. I think it was just east of Muskegon. There's some near Grand Rapids, Lansing, Jackson. And now they're heading into like probably northern Detroit areas at this point. And recently Poplar Bluff just had major storms. And like tornadoes in general. And now there's some strong tornado warnings down there again. And now they're moving east to, I think, like Sikeston and Charleston, Missouri, and into Cairo and Carbondale, Illinois. And there's even tornado watches all the way stretching from all the way to Michigan, all the way up in Michigan, all the way down to through Indiana to all the way to Owensboro, Kentucky. So these storms are pretty wild. Hopefully everybody's staying safe, and hopefully there's not been any deaths, because I'll be extremely sad. Yeah, the lightning here is stronger than all the lightning I've seen so far this year. Yeah. Stay on here for a couple more minutes, and then I gotta let you guys go, because I gotta go watch more of the radar and see how the storms are moving, where they're going towards. See like the rotations and all that. Yeah, I mean, I'm used to these storms. I mean, I was one time, I had to walk to the mall because, I mean, if you don't know me, a lot of people from my school know this, but anytime I'm bored and if I'm not busy, I'm walking to the mall. Because I don't know what's about it, it just creates my entertainment. I mean, I know I need to create my own entertainment. Sometimes I have to. But one time when I was walking to the mall, no sweatshirt on, no long pants, no hood, there was a tornado warning. I mean, I was fine. People were really scared that I was going to get sucked away by a tornado, but I was like, oh no, I'm fine. I'm not saying that we ain't having any tornadoes. I'm not saying that. Because you never know. They could form anywhere. You never know when they'll form. And there's like a tornado watch for, I think, throughout the entire state of Indiana. Oh wow, that was a good strike. Yeah, so the entirety of Indiana right now is under a tornado watch as we speak. So yeah, it's yeah. I'm gonna see if we can see it closely, but look, I'm gonna scoot down a little. Look at my driveway. It's really like flowing down. Like water is filling up. It's flooding down my driveway here, if you can see. And I can even feel the rain coming from the crack of the door. Like the breeze, because there's so much rain. Well, guys, I hope everybody stays safe, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out.